that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
All right, y'all. So I just left Target, and I'm gonna tell y'all, I got my $15 gift card. I'm feeling good about this Target trip. All right, y'all. So I just left work. Y'all, this week has went by so smooth. I don't have any complaints at all. I just need to continue to do what I said I need to do, and that's to get up and exercise and, you know, things like that. But I'm here to get like a touch up on my eyebrows, so that's what I'm about to do. So when y'all see me next time, they may be a little darker. I feel like that she needs to kind of like shave this in, because this one looks a little different from this one. And y'all already know I paid too much money for these eyebrows. Okay, we need these eyebrows to be right. Yeah. So yeah, today is Friday. Happy Friday, y'all. And I'm happy, like I said, because you know why I'm happy? It ain't about it ain't like I got money or my channel being monetized or anything like that. Or you know what? We well and we alive, y'all. So you know I'm happy. I'm happy about that.
I get so excited from who and how I like it. I try but I can't fight it.
All right, y'all. Yeah, so we are at Applebee's. Y'all already know what it is. So we here for the late night appetizers here at Applebee's today. Oh yeah. So yeah, I got my eyebrows done and it hurt like, yeah, that part right there. So we just gonna leave that alone. But what?
You can order this now, but tell you we don't want it to not be in.
Say hi, boo. So it's me and La and Nia. She already playing with her puzzle. Okay, go ahead and do your thing, girl. All right, La, what you talking about doing? They got...
I don't... Who? My ear.
Okay, but they still got loaded waffle.
Wait, let me see my...
I want these. I'm not gonna get it though. I'm not gonna get it. I'm here for the appetizer. The appetizer's going. Oh, what's that? They got popping king.
Nobody got time for that. Well, she low-key got that one right.
No, she don't.
Yes, she did. Look.
What if she put it together? I'm putting it on.
Oh, no, she...
Don't be hating on my baby. Y'all, Nia got her puzzle going. Good girl. She do this at school. Anyway, so these are the late night appetizers. I think I'm gonna try the chicken tacos. I want the boneless wings.
What chicken tacos?
Chicken tacos. Chicken wonton. It's, what?
Was that a word?
Okay, anyway, chicken wonton tacos. And they ain't over 600 calories, so we can do it. They got the quesadilla, spinach, artichoke dip, They have the waffle. Can y'all see that? Waffle fries and the pub pretzels. Yeah. So. Happy Saturday to everybody. Yeah, I went to the grocery store today and right now the kids are out of school. Look, stressing. I'm stressing over the prices of food. It's just getting too high. I went to 3 different stores. I went to Sam's.
3?
Yes, I went to 3 different.
I thought
Yeah.
you said 1.
No, I went to Sam's, Aldi's, and I went to our local grocery store. And yeah, it's stressing me out. I'm gonna go downstairs and plug up my refrigerator and I'm gonna stock it up. I'm gonna record that, let you guys see that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I ended up selling the table today. I made a good profit off of that. So I'm happy about that. So this is how it's looking. I got the sodas at the bottom, Gatorade and water. I still have some stuff left over. Don't worry about this, y'all, because we are getting this together. I bought new knobs. So I'm gonna paint this all white because I wanna put my wine here, my wine glasses. I wanna fix it up, y'all. I wanna make it feel, I wanna fix it up and make it look real nice. So I got this refrigerator from Walmart. It was $120. Y'all know I'm a review person, so I look at the reviews and yeah, I think it was a great purchase. So I'm loving it.